Oh.
Okay, beautiful. Welcome to Rock Cut Park.
Rock Cut State Park.
So awkward. No, so my name is Bella.
I'm Adrian.
I'm Ben. You might recognize me.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. He's been in the hot dog vlog. And we're gonna hike and maybe climb some shit.
We are starting the day with a little climb. As long as you have a full hand, make sure it's flat, of course. Don't be afraid to put your knee down if you need to have more support.
So smooth.
Nate, poke your head out again.
People climb up here a lot.
The crevasse. So I'm scouting out the rock, even though Bella already did it. I just want to see if there's any other cool spots to climb up. Seems doable, but a little scary. Wave to the camera. I don't know if it picked that up. Neat stuff. I made it.
Guys, you did it.
You guys ready to get down?
Am I down for what?
To get down.
Yeah. Down to go down.
I'm gonna take a peek from the side. This would be a cool picture spot on these rocks and stuff.
Yeah.
Don't hang on that rock right there. That one should be flatter at the top. And you'll be able to reach down. Get down to there. Your next foothold probably is going to be there, here. And then this one's completely flat here.
Bella,
There's also a foothold right underneath your other foot right here.
look up here.
If you use the top
Unless you're too focused.
you can pull yourself up from the standing position. Yep.
Hey yo.
Up here.
I probably could climb up this, but I'm not going to.
No, I'm just gonna get down the same way I got up.
Bro, yeah. Bro, I forgot how fun this shit was though.
This one is closed because the stairs are kind of weird. So, if I walk through something, don't step on it. If I step on it and it doesn't break, then follow me.
And climb all the way back.
So we're going up this way over that whole like little drop, which is nice. You could go the boring way and go up, but we're gonna go on that little thin trail there. I'll take you or if you say it.
Depends on if they stop it here.
Whoa.
You got fossils. What are your majors?
Creative writing and philosophy.
Beautiful. Well, worst case scenario, I fall in the river. So.
But it's shallow.
To be fair, it's really shallow, yeah.
I don't think that like 2 inches of water will do much, but you will get a nice little like
Best
bath.
case scenario.
While you
Okay.
get your
You
ankle.
hung this way?
Yeah.
I'm gonna hang this way. Actually, no, I'm not gonna. No.
Anyways, here's your #1 wilderness tip. If you're ever on a slanted ledge, grab onto the vegetation. That is the strongest thing in the ground.
Why does he look like a wilderness model? What the fuck? I feel like the rest of us just look like a bumbling family. Nate is like our wilderness explorer guy.
So right here, there's a root here. You're gonna want to grab and lean back.
Mr. Wilderness Survivor for
Okay.
Oh, okay.
light work.
Okay. Here, toss it this way.
Oh my god.
That's light work. We can go down and get it.
Yeah, it's fine. Oh, we can all go down.
Nate's like, I'm going down the left.
Lots of fun routes.
Oh.
You gonna catch it? Wait, what? Oh, okay. Can you pass it?
You're walking that log.
I don't trust that log. There is a log back.
Now I don't want to drink from that because it's all dirty.
It's water on
It's
water,
water.
bed.
Nice. Oh, hmm?
And then you set the sticker on this stick right here. Haha, stick on the stick. Because cigars are not a safe alternative to cigarettes. So safety sticker for letting us know.
Remember that, kids.
It's not what you think.
We've discovered a cave bear in his natural habitat who's also majoring in philosophy and creative writing. Hello, how's it going?
I have a riddle. It's too fast.
What's the riddle? Tell us.
How can you prove that other people exist outside of your own mind?
You can't. It's all a simulation.
No, that's not right.
It's over here. We're gonna use it to cross.
So you, Lachey over?
Yeah.
How'd you get back?
You climb back on the tree.
Yeah, I have everybody's stuff. I'm not gonna risk that.
Get down. You don't have to tightrope right the whole way. Yep.
Adrian, you going?
I'm waiting
For anyone who doesn't want to do that, you can also sit on the log and just scooch across.
Oh,
I did that the first time.
Alright. Ooh,
Nice.
nice. That was good.
It feels good. It feels cool when you're falling.
Yeah. Cool. Your guide Nathan is holding the
Yep.
branch stable. You got this.
Geronimo.
Yes.
Nice.
Beautifully done. You did that way more readily than I did.
Oh, that is further.
Nice. Oh, that's fun. It's like tree surfing.
How'd you get up?
Yep, pull up, pull up, pull up. There you go. Adrian, you could, if you don't want to come over, you don't have to because we're gonna come back. So.
Try it. Hold on. You get down.
Okay. Nice, nice. Let the legs come down. See? There you go.
Oh.
Yeah. Nice.
You can do it. You help me motivate me to do it.
I'm just trying to make sure I don't fall off. That's the thing. The main.
Yeah, it's just that one on the bottom, right? No. How could you?
I'm modifying the tree so I can jump from here onto that branch.
You're destroying
I'm
nature.
Sorry, Ben. It's for parkour.
The forest preserve, how dare you!
Okay. Well, hopefully this one doesn't break. You asked earlier, like, what if it breaks? This one might break it, so we will see. Oh my god. It's safe. I mean, the branch did break, but
You did it.
humanly safe, yeah. Oh, that's a bummer.
Oh my god, we gotta look back at that clip.
Nice. Okay.
Maybe.
Let's try this again.
Yeah.
So sick!
Uh-huh.
So fucking cool,
Oh, whoa! Ow!
You good, Ben?
These thorns! I'm gonna kill them all. I'm gonna kill all the thorns.
That's a cool shot. What do you think, Adrian?
This is pretty damn cool.
Oh, yeah. That too.
Just decompressing the river foam.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I
Pretty
was
pretty,
able to
though.
do so much in high school. Like, there's like a little woods. Whoa!
I can take the thing so it'll make it easier for you.
Should I throw it or?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Thank you.
The best catch all day.
Oh no, it's all good. There you go.
Nice.
Nice.
Beautiful. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Let's go.
Yeah,
We're currently looking for a field of trees that we were told by a nice group of people. So This may or may not be the field of trees. Mm-hmm. Let's hike here a lot.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the field of trees, we assume. There's this nice climbing tree right here.
Ooh, only at 5%.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh my.
Close the way up.
Okay. Be careful.
It's kind of like a ladder almost, like they're just perfect scaffolds.
I know they look nice, but I'm not willing to try right now.
That's fine.
Whew.
Ooh.
Oh my
Good?
god.
Yeah.
Follow SIGFREED, hit like and subscribe.
Oh, yeah. Thanks for watching.
Get me up there.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Bella's gonna come plummeting down and just decapitate me.
Thanks for watching. Like and share. Subscribe to SIGFREED. Follow SIGFREED. Explore on Instagram.
Okay. This is the highest I'm gonna go.
It's the size.
Alright, do the final
See on
send
camera
off.
how high she is? Oh my god.
Oh my
It is
god.
at the top of the tree, literally. I hope it does it justice, because that looks really high from my angle.
What
Alright.
can you see up there?
You can do the send off now, Nate. The real send off.
Peace.